Hey, what's up guys, it's Sai here. Today video we will be figuring out who is the winner for the action camera DJI Osmo Nano or Insta360 Go Ultra. We will be shooting in the low lighting, in the darkness and in the sunset time. Little bit disclaimer here, nobody sponsoring this video. I buy everything with my cash and I will be telling you guys everything I figured out who is the winner here. Without further ado, let's find out.
Day by day we push away, never stop, we find our way. Move so fast, we make it last. Chasing time, it's running past.
Okay guys, for the hyperlapse and time-lapse shot, both of the camera did incredible job and I would like to give both of them credit, and there's no winner for me, but let me know about your thought in the comment below guys. Let's see the next one.
We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way.
For the slow motion shot from both of the camera, absolutely incredible, but for the slow motion I would like to give the winner to the Osmo Nano. You guys can see the footage from the Osmo Nano with the global lighting is absolutely incredible. This is the blocking test from the DJI Osmo Nano in Super Night mode. Guys, this is the blocking test in the normal video mode. For the Go Ultra, shooting in the normal video mode. Guys, for the blocking test and the sound testing, both of the camera did pretty cool and amazing job guys. Good morning guys, this is the running test between the Go Ultra shooting in pure video mode and Osmo Nano shooting in the Super Night mode guys. Let's see how is the footage and stabilization. Guys, for the running shot, I found out the Osmo Nano with lock steady 3.0 is absolutely incredible guys. And with the Go Ultra, even with the high standard stabilization, I found out in the pure video mode the footage a little bit shaky, but it's not that bad. So for the stabilization, I think it's fair enough to give the Osmo Nano as a winner here. Let's check next one. For the image quality, both of the camera give almost similar footage and very difficult to differentiate. But at the low light environment, Go Ultra is the winner here. You guys can see in the footage also because it has the AI chip dedicated for the low light shooting. If you don't mind for the low light shooting, so the Osmo Nano might be your choice guy. Let's see the next one. There's one disadvantages for both of the camera. When you guys are shooting for the close-up object, they are struggling to focus, guys. That's only the one thing. Let's see the next.
Day by day we push away, never stop, we find our way. Move so fast, we make it last. Chasing time, it's running past. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way.
For the POV with the magnet pendant, both camera did incredible job. There's no winner here. By the way, guys, in terms of the sizes, the DJI Osmo Nano even smaller than the Go Ultra. That's why when it comes to the battery consumption, I saw the vision dot from the Nano lasts longer than the Go Ultra. It also makes sense because display screen from the Go Ultra is bigger than the Osmo Nano, so it's gonna consume more power. So here, there's no winner. I think it depends on the user point of view. And let's see the next one, guys. Put up the camera is ready, and let's start dipping in the water, guys. I just finished shooting the water test. Luckily, nothing happened. It's waterproof. Up to 10 meters for both of the camera, guys. That's pretty. Hello, guys. Just finished testing both of the camera inside the stream here. I found out Osmo Nano give incredible footage, guys. With the normal lens that is coming. Go Ultra footage a little bit dim and it's not that great, guys. That's why Go Insta360 are selling the aqua lens for Insta360 Go Ultra. So the winner here for shooting underwater without additional gear, I will be giving to the Osmo Nano, guys. Bear in mind when you buy the camera, guys. Let's check next one. The D-Lock amp, put up the camera, almost same quality, but for me, based on your preference, color profile, you're gonna prefer maybe some like the Osmo Nano, maybe some like the Go Ultra. For me, there's no winner here for the D-Lock amp and for the I-Lock from the Go Ultra, guys. Let's see the next one. Hello, guys. For the vision dot, for both of these two cameras, they are not the waterproof, just only the splash resistant. Just be careful for that and don't dive with your vision dog under the water, guys. It's gonna be the nightmare, guys. The memory storage, the Go Ultra don't have the internal storage, but the Osmo Nano does have the either 64 gigabyte or 128 gigabyte, guys. If you are the Apple Watch user like the Go Ultra, you can get connected and then you can shooting the footage from your Apple Watch. But with the Osmo Nano, I try to connect to it through my watch, but it doesn't support. I don't know why, but you can shooting remotely with your mobile if you want to. Okay, guys, to sum up our fighting, both camera had their own advantage and disadvantages. If you want to shoot under very low light situation, you might be choose the Go Ultra. But if you want to shoot like the normal action camera, maybe you might choose the Osmo Nano, guy, because you can get like almost similar image quality from both of the camera, except in the low light environment. In addition to that, Osmo Nano has incredible stabilization, and also when you shoot under the water, you don't need to buy extra aqua land, guy. Only one downside, guy. Osmo Nano, you cannot use your Apple Watch to shoot remotely. That's what I have found out. Maybe if you guys manage to connect your Osmo Nano with your Apple Watch, let me know in the comment below, guys. I tried, but could not connect with the Go Ultra. I can connect easily and shoot very conveniently for the remote shooting, and for the it will be very useful for the solo content creator, guy. By the way, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up and hit the subscribe, guy. There's no winner here. It's gonna depend on your guy preference and usage. I see you guys next time. Bye.